Hey guys, it's Maria from the Belleville Learning Academy. Today, I will be showing you how to solve a one-step equation. Let's get started. Now, solving a one-step equation is really simple. In fact, we only have to do one step. Here in our to-do list, there are two steps shown, but the main step is to isolate the x or any other variable by using the inverse operation. Our second step is optional, but it is always suggested to check our answer to see whether or not it is correct. So, in order to solve this equation, we have to isolate the x by using the inverse operation on the coefficient. The coefficient right now is 3. And a coefficient is basically a number next to a variable that multiplies it. So, 3x is really 3 times x. So, what inverse operation do we use to isolate the x? Well, an inverse operation is the opposite operation of the one you are currently using. So, the inverse operation of addition is subtraction and vice versa, and the inverse operation of multiplication is division and vice versa. In order to solve our equation, we have to divide 3 on both sides. The 3's on the left side cancel out, getting x by itself, and 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So our final answer is x equals 2. Now, in order to check whether x equals 2 is the right answer, we simply plug this in to the original equation. So, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. This is a true statement, meaning this answer is correct. So let's do another example. In this equation, negative 5x equals 25, we have to isolate the x once more by using the inverse operation on the coefficient. Once again, this means we have to divide negative 5 on both sides. Now the negative 5's on the left side cancel out, and 25 divided by negative 5 is negative 5. Remember, dividing a positive by a negative results into a negative answer. Once again, in order to check this answer, we plug in x equals negative 5 into our original equation. Negative 5 times negative 5 is equal to 25. This answer is correct because multiplying these two negative numbers result into the correct positive answer. Okay. Now let's recap on what we learned today. Well, we learned how to solve a one-step equation by using an inverse operation. We now know that an inverse operation is the opposite operation, and the coefficient is a number next to a variable. We've also learned how to check an answer by substituting it into the original equation.
That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and subscribe down below for more videos like this. Bye!